How to learn English using shopping websites. Hello everyone, welcome back to Smart and Easy English, your go-to channel for all things English learning. I'm your host, Ben, and today we have something really creative for improving your English by using online shopping websites. Yes, you heard it right. So let's get started. The type of websites to visit. First, make sure you're visiting websites created in English, avoiding machine-translated ones. Steer clear of translated sites. They're terrible. Machine-translated websites are full of errors and awkward phrasing. Instead, focus on websites of American brands, particularly big, luxury, and well-established ones. This guarantees accurate, up-to-date, and proper written English. Reading comprehension and vocabulary expansion. Online shopping websites are a goldmine for words and phrases that you might not find in textbooks. As you browse through product descriptions, specifications, and reviews, you're exposed to a bunch of vocabulary and sentence structures. What's more, these words are used in context, making them easier to remember and for you to use them correctly. Here's what you do. Choose a product category that interests you, electronics, clothing, or travel, for example. Read the product or service descriptions, specifications, and customer reviews. Whenever you come across a new word or phrase, jot it down and look up its meaning. Keep a vocabulary notebook and regularly review the words you've learned. Writing skills improvement. As you probably know, online shopping websites often have reviews. Writing product reviews and comments can actually help you become a better writer. Expressing your thoughts, describing products, and structuring your sentences can all be improved through interactions. Here's what you do. Write concise and informative reviews about a product, even if you've not purchased it. It's just an exercise. Describe the product's features and benefits using descriptive language. Pay attention to grammar, punctuation, and sentence structure. Engage in discussions by replying to other users' comments. Listening practice. Online shopping websites often include videos like product demonstrations and customer testimonials. These resources provide excellent listening practice opportunities, helping you become more comfortable with different American accents and tones. Here's what to do. Watch product demonstration videos to understand how things work. Listen closely to product descriptions to hear real language use. Take notes while listening to remember key points and new words. Try summarizing what you heard in your own words. Speaking skills development. Role-playing is the key here. You can simulate conversations related to shopping scenarios, like calling customer service or negotiating prices. Here's what to do. Pretend to be a customer making a call to customer service. Role-play as both the buyer and seller, discussing product details and prices. Practice dialogues with a partner to simulate real shopping interactions. Record your conversations and work on improving your pronunciation and fluency. Cultural awareness and contextual learning. Online shopping websites often reflect cultural nuances and preferences. Exploring them can help you understand different communication styles, idiomatic expressions, and even cultural practices. Here's what to do. Pay attention to language used in product descriptions and advertisements. Compare how products are marketed in the culture of the target language, how Americans market products to Americans, for example. Pay attention to cultural practices linked to shopping and gift-giving. You might read that a certain product is great for housewarming or anniversaries, for example. Take note of how American culture influences language choices and perceptions. Conclusion. And there you have it. Using online shopping websites as a tool for learning English is a fun and effective way to boost your English skills. From reading and writing to listening and speaking, these platforms offer a wealth of opportunities. So the next time you're browsing through your favorite online store, remember that you're not just shopping, you're also learning. And since you watched to the end, here's a bonus for you. Use TV shopping channels. Explore American TV shopping channels like QVC for English Learning Gold. Why? Because these channels feature articulate presenters who speak with a neutral accent. They're easy to understand and speak at a moderate pace. They provide detailed product explanations and usually repeat themselves, which is very good for your listening comprehension and reinforcement. And of course, they're native speakers. You can easily access QVC or HSN on YouTube. The best is that it's live, 24/7. Using TV shopping channels will enable you to immerse yourself in American culture, idioms, and slang. Here's how to do it. Observe their product presentations. Listen intently to explanations and descriptions. Pause and try to describe the product yourself. This approach offers a real-world glimpse into American communication. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Smart and Easy English for more awesome content on mastering the English language. Until